Hello my dear students, once again I am here and as we were solving exercise 11.1, we have already completed 3 questions in it. Let us start the 4th question for you. What the 4th question is saying, a flooring tiles has the shape of a parallelogram with the base 24 centimeter and the corresponding height 10 centimeter. The shape of the tile is parallelogram, 24 centimeter base and 10 centimeter the corresponding height. How many such tiles are required to cover the floor of area 1080 meter square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. Okay, so this is question number 4, exercise 11.1. The area of floor is 1080 meter square and base of tile is 24 centimeter. So this is meter, this is centimeter. I will have to convert this also into meter. So it is 0.24 meter. And height of tile is 10 centimeter. I will have to convert this also into meter. That is 0.1 meter. Now you remember we have solved a question like this in class 6, that if in a floor, if in a big floor we want to cover it with tiles, how we will find the number of tiles? We will find number of tiles is equals to area of floor divided by area of tile. Now what is the area of tile? Area of parallelogram क्या होता है? Area of parallelogram is base into height, that is 0.24 into 0.1. You can solve it or you can not solve it, it's your wish. So it is 0.024 meters. And now I am substituting this and this in this formula. So number of tiles is equals to 1080 upon 0.024. If I will remove the decimal, I will get the 1000 at the top, and 12 2s are 24, 12 9s are 108, so it became 90, and 2 and 90 is cancelled. So I come to know 45,000 tiles will be required to cover up this area. So this way you will solve this question number 4 of exercise 11.1. I'm sure it is clear to you. Now question number 5. An ant is moving around the 3 shapes, a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, the circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. So the first food piece is semicircular and its diameter is 2.8 centimeter. The second piece is like this, and this is also 2.8. And what about the breadth? The breadth is 1.5. And the third piece is something like this. He is telling this is 2.8 and these are 2 centimeters. This is also 2 centimeter, and this is also 2 centimeter. So now you will have to find, let me name them A, B and C. So the ant is moving around them, we will have to calculate the distance. So this is question number 5. This is question number 5. So the distance traveled for food piece A. Now what I'll have to calculate, this is the D diameter and this is the circumference of a semicircle. Semicircle का circumference क्या होता है? पूरा होता है 2 pi r. तो half will be pi r. So pi r plus d. What is r? 2.8 is d. So r will be half of that. So 22 upon 7, half of 2.8, 2.8 upon 2 plus 2.8. So it is 1.4, it is 0.2 and it is 4.4 plus 2.8. I got 7.2 centimeters. So what I did, I got the pi r from here and d here. D is given, r is d by 2. So pi is 22 upon 7 and then I got the value of first piece. What about second? Piece B. For piece B, I will have to calculate that pi r. This is pi r. Very good. This is B. This is L. So L plus 2B. Length is 1 and B is 2. Base is twice. So pi r is 22 upon 7, or you can say this is pi r only, 4.4. I have calculated it once, need not to calculate once again and again. And L is 2.8 and B is 2 into 1.5. So this is 7.2 plus 3, 10.2 centimeters. Now third, piece C. For piece C, what can be done? Pi r plus these two slanting one, 2 plus 2. They know these cannot have any name, length and breadth. So pi r is 4.4 plus 4, 8.4. So for which piece ant will have to travel the more? For piece B. For piece B, ant will travel the most. So this way you will solve these questions. Now once these questions are solved, exercise 11.1 is finished. Now let us move to 11.2. In 11.2 we are going to learn two new formula. One is area of trapezium. You all know na trapezium? A trapezium is a shape which is having one pair of parallel lines. This line and this line is parallel. And we know the height. Height is known. So if I am calling this as A and this as B and this is height, so area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into height, or I can call it half A plus B into H. Half A plus B into H, where A and B are the parallel sides. The second formula which I am going to study in it is rhombus. You know rhombus? A figure which is having two pair of parallel lines and having all the sides equal. So this area can be calculated, area of rhombus can be calculated by half d1 into d2. What is d1? d1 is diagonal 1. If this is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2. So half d1 into d2 is the way to find out the area of rhombus. These are the two new shapes you will find in exercise 2, and rest all are the old one. Rest all old formula will be applied, and these two new shapes will come into picture. So let us look for the questions of exercise 11.2. 11.2 contains 11 questions. I'm very sure within 2 days we will be able to finish it up. Question number 1. The shape of the top surface of a table is trapezium. Okay. Find the area of its or find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. So parallel sides of trapezium 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and the distance between parallel sides is 0.8 meter. So area of tabletop is equals to half A plus B into H, that is half. A is 1, B is 1.2, H is 0.8. So 2 and 0.8 will be cancelled, so it will be 0.4, and when I will add it, it is 2.2 into 0.4. I got 0.88 meter square. So this is our question number 1. Let us see question number 2 can be accommodated on the board or not. Question number 2. What question number 2 is saying? The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. The length of the one of the parallel side is 10. Its height is 4. Find the length of another parallel side. Okay. So area of trapezium is given, that is 34 centimeter square. Length of one parallel side is equals to 10. Yes, 10 centimeter, and height of trapezium is 4 centimeter. Another thing you will have to calculate. So area of trapezium is equals to half A plus B into H. 34 is the area, half 10 plus B, H is 4. This is cancelled by 2. So 10 plus B is equals to 34 upon 2, that is 17. B is equals to 17 minus 10, 7 centimeter visible. Yes, more or less visible. So I am writing it here. 10 plus B is equals to 34 upon 2, that is 17. B is equals to 17 minus 10, that is 7 centimeter. So this way we will solve this question. I am very sure you can do it. Let us see question number 3. What question number 3 is saying? Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 centimeter. A trapezium shaped field is there. How it is ABCD? A, B, C, D. This is 90 degree. It means AB is the height. So, what is given? Perimeter of trapezium 120 meters. Okay. What else is given? BC is equals to 48. BC is 48. Okay. CD 17. What else? AD 40. What was required is not given. AB is also required, so I will get it. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is 120. So AB I will have to calculate. BC is 48, CD is 17, DA is 40. I will get my AB, that is 120 minus 8 and 7 15, carry 1, 4 and 4 8 and 1 9 and 1 10. So it is 15. And now surely you must be asking the area of side AB is perpendicular parallel. Find the area. So area of the field is equals to half BC plus AD into AB. These are the two parallel sides and this is the height. So half BC is 48 plus 40 into 15, half of 88 into 15, 44 into 50, 660 meters square. So this way, this is your question number 3. Let us see question number 4. We will try to finish 5 today and 6 in the next of our video. So 5 questions. Question number 4 we are on. What it is saying? The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 and the perpendiculars dropped it from the remaining opposite sides are 8 and 30. There is a quadrilateral, something like that in shape. This is 24, this is given as 13, this is given as 8. So, if I will name it, is it given? No, let me give it. A, B, C, D. So, area of A, B, C, D I want to calculate. So, it can be calculated by area of ABC plus area of ADC. Now area of ABC is half base into height, and that is also half height 1 and height 2. Base is common, heights are different. So base is 24, height is 13. Base is 24, height is 8. So this is 12, this is 12, 12 common, 13 plus 8. 12 into 21, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24 and 1 25, 252 meters square. 252 meters square will be the area of this field. Now question number 5 is quite easy. How you will do? There it is a rhombus, diagonals are given. There it is a rhombus and the diagonals are given to. D1 is given as 7.5 and D2 is 12. So, area of rhombus half D1 into D2 half 7.5 into 12, that is 6. 7.5 into 6, this is 6 7 ja 45 centimeter square. Solve this many question in your notebook and send your work to me by today evening, and thereafter tomorrow we will solve rest of the 5 questions of this exercise. Till then, take care.